Here we are, 7:15 p.m. the night before the storm. There's my place. We had a little snow last week, see? We have 1 week until spring. I'm just showing you before, and then tomorrow I'll show you after. Hopefully it goes right around and misses us. Got my truck tucked in next to the house. All the cars are in the garages. Oh boy. Should have bought a generator, huh? Never know what's gonna happen around here. Satellite dish is still up. Might have to clean that off. Okay, wish us luck. I hope it's warm where you are. I know it's getting dark, but it's daylight savings time now. See that? Tomorrow you won't even know it's a truck, probably. And this is what I've been looking like right now. I don't want to be cold. I want to be warm. I don't want to shovel snow. My back hurts just thinking about it. All right. Have a nice night, everybody. Stay safe, stay warm. Or if you're alongside your pool, take a dip from me. See you in the morning. Or maybe I'll check in halfway through the night. See ya. All right, 7:15 a.m. Oh man, oh boy, don't like it. It's terrible out here. 9:07 a.m. There's my truck, see it? Don't seem to be letting up soon. My neighbor plowed already, but it's filling in quick. He's gonna help me plowing. That'll be nice. Can't stand it. I want to move to a warm climate. Somebody trade me. I'm gonna go cook some corned beef, I think. What do you think of that? All right, I'll keep you updated. My mom's telling me not to fall over from a heart attack from shoveling, so I'm gonna try not to. We got a long day ahead of us here. There goes the truck up on the road there. Plow. All right, we'll check in with you. Here we are, 4:30 p.m. I just drove my truck out of there. I should have showed you that. See, neighbor plowed most of it. That was nice. But wasn't that bad, huh? Bad enough to cancel work and stuff, which I don't mind. But I don't think it was 2 feet.
Hey, little girl. Hey, little girl under the tree. Where's Roxy? Where's Roxy? You looking for Daddy, huh?
Tonight. Well, it's going to be a rock over there. Roxy. Oh, look at a shovel. Alright, I'm going to try the drone cam. See what we got here. Wish me luck. Hope I don't lose it. Going up. Drone cam. Going up. Going up.
Bring it back. Keep going. Yep, you got it. Bring it back. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
It's on the roof, I think.
Got it. Is it on?
Yeah.
Whew, I got it. It's still over here. This is nerve-wracking, this thing. I got it. It got stuck on the roof. It costs so much, that's why I'm so nervous about sending it up. Especially, it wasn't windy down here. I guess it's windy up there. All right, I guess I got a shovel now. So you've seen some drone footage. 6 days till spring. Can't stand it. No more. I just want to eat it. Dig it. Whew. All right.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
I don't know what the drone can see. I was trying to turn the camera down. I gotta learn more about it, you know?
Yeah. I know, but it
That was
did.
a panic, you know?
It did get windy up there, huh?
Yeah. Faster, faster.
I'm going fast.
Oh boy. We're almost done. I'm not gonna clean that garage out. I ain't taking my bike out. You taking your bike out?
Not today.
How about you, Rox?
Spring.
Spring, that's next week. Roxy goes in one door and out the other door. Right, Rox? She looks brownish compared to this white snow.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
She gets in there and comes out the garage, watch. I want to go in, I want to go in. All right, we're almost done. Glad my neighbor helped. He's a nice guy. All right, we're gonna go eat some of that. Yeah. How about that drone, huh? It gets windy when it gets out there. Oh, now it's windy too. But it wasn't windy when I started. I gotta learn it more. See any wildlife lately? I hope you're nice and warm. Hope you're sitting by the pool watching this on your phone or your iPad. That'd be cool. I don't want to live like this no more. I want to retire, move to a tropical climate. Right, right. Have a lovely evening. Stay warm, stay cool, stay hot, stay cold, whatever you like. Talk to you soon. Bye. Murder. Mark, what are you doing? All right. Hook it up to